Meaning of hookey.
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 Hookey. Hookey is a term used to describe someone who was playing truant or skipping school without permission. It can also refer to someone who is being deceitful or fraudulent. The word likely originated from the Dutch word hoek meaning corner or hiding place, as truants would often hide in corners to avoid being caught by truancy officers. In modern usage, the term can also refer to anything that is fake or counterfeit. Overall, hookey carries a negative connotation and implies a disregard for rules and authority.